Have you ever dreamed of exploring the world without leaving your home? Welcome to the future of tourism, where virtual reality, or VR, is reshaping our travel experiences. VR is an immersive technology that simulates real-world environments, allowing you to dive into the Great Barrier Reef, hike the Incan Trail to Machu Picchu, or even float in the zero-gravity realm of space, all from your living room. This isn't just a video game or a 3D movie. It's a hyper-realistic journey that lets you interact with the environment as if you were physically there. You can feel the chill of Antarctic winds, hear the bustling streets of Tokyo, and smell the fragrant spices of a Moroccan market. This revolution in tourism isn't just about seeing new places, it's about experiencing them in a whole new way. With virtual reality, the world is literally at your fingertips. But it's not just about sightseeing. VR tourism is changing the way we learn and socialize. Picture this. A history teacher transports her class back in time to ancient Rome, where they marvel at the Colosseum without ever leaving the classroom. This is the magic of VR tourism in education. It brings lessons to life, making learning more engaging, memorable, and inspiring. But it doesn't stop at education. Imagine being an introverted traveler. You love exploring but socializing? Not so much. VR tourism comes to the rescue here as well. It allows introverted tourists to connect with fellow adventurers in shared virtual experiences. You can chat about the beautiful virtual sunset you're watching, or the digital wildlife you're observing, all from the comfort of your living room. Traveling is no longer just a physical journey but also a social and educational experience. Virtual reality tourism is truly revolutionizing the way we explore and engage with the world. But the benefits don't stop there. VR tourism is about inclusivity and opportunity. It's a game changer for those with disabilities who may have found traditional travel challenging. Imagine a wheelchair user standing atop Mount Everest, feeling the icy wind against their virtual face, or a visually impaired individual, hearing vivid descriptions of the Mona Lisa as they virtually wander through the Louvre. It's about breaking barriers and creating equal opportunities for all to experience the world's wonders. And let's not forget the economic implications. Entrepreneurs are harnessing the power of VR to create unique and immersive travel experiences, from secluded tropical islands to adrenaline-filled skydiving adventures. These innovative businesses are not only expanding revenue streams but also fostering economic growth, creating jobs and encouraging tech advancements. Through VR, we're not just exploring new places but also creating a more inclusive and prosperous world. This isn't just the future of tourism, it's the future of a more connected, accessible, and inclusive society.